A security guard has been arrested for raping a 16-year-old girl at a construction site in Mapsa. The 33-year-old Bihar native was reportedly close to the girl's family, who are employed as laborers at the site. Mapsa PI Sitakant Naik provided further details on the shocking incident. Listen.
Information मेळे पयली हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान की एक मायनराक हॉस्पिटलान फॉर ट्रीटमेंट हाडला म्हणून and there is some abuse. So accordingly we took a call and आमी went to the hospital and inquiring कळ्ळे की एकल्या भुरग्याक inappropriate touch आणि कितें तरी on the face कितें तरी bite बी कितें आशिल्लें. So accordingly मागीर we took a complaint of her father, victim's father, and that incident had taken place near Gateshwar Nagar. The Kollen incident wherein one accused was security at that site. Accused security काम करी and victim's parents were working as a laborers. So त्या परिसरात तातूनच ते काम करी construction site. Victim आणि that security guy like ते तांची फॅमिली बरोबर वळख आशिल्ली. सो तो थंय काम करता त्या हातून ताचो वळख आशिल्ली आणि ऑन दॅट प्रिटेक्स्ट तो तांचे कडेन रिलेशन बिल्डअप केल्लें. ते भुरग्याक घेवन तो सायडीक गेलो आणि ताका विक्टिमा बरोबर इनएप्रोप्रिएट टच आणि बाकी काही गोष्टी केल्यो.
Police are investigating the case further, but when asked about the rising number of such cases and what the authorities are doing to curb them, this is what Naik had to say.
घडत आहा म्हणल्यार ते it is like sudden. We cannot we are taking maximum prevention by effective की आमचे policing, patrolling, आमी migrants चे फॉर्म्स भरता थंय हे करता त्या ओनरांक ब्रीफ करतात फॉर्मा भरा मागीर तांचेर पाळोकूय दवरता विजीट करतात सायट्स. ते इट इज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन अंडर द इन्फ्लुएन्स ऑफ ही वॉज ड्रंक. सो ह्या फुडें अशें घडपाक जायना हाजी काळजी आमी इफेक्टीव पेट्रोलिंग त्या माध्यमांतल्यान आनी अवेरनेसूय स्प्रेड करून करतले.
Nitiksha Gaonkar, Srishti Thanekar and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.